how to clear Facebook cache on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook application. And then on the bottom part here, you'll see 6 different options. Click on your menu. Now under menu, what you're going to do is on the upper right, you'll see the gear icon there, the settings. Click on the settings and then scroll down up until you see the preference section here. Under preferences section here, you will see browser. Click on browser. Since you wish to clear your Facebook cache or your Facebook cache on iPhone, so what you're gonna do is here, as you can see, your browsing data, you have to clear on that. Tap on clear. So here, if you clear your browsing data on your Facebook, your phone cookies and cache from websites you've visited while using the Facebook mobile browser will be deleted. So basically, that is how you clear your Facebook cache on your iPhone. And then the other way is you can go here to your settings. Simply go here to your general, go to your iPhone storage, and then look for Facebook. Now under Facebook here, tap on offload application. Just wait for it to offload and tap on reinstall the application. Now what will it do is that it will basically reinstall the application, but the documents or the datas or the accounts will still be intact there. It will simply refresh the application and basically clear cache the application too. And basically that is how you clear Facebook cache on iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.